Hello, this video is just to follow up on the Pearson MyLab and Mastering to show what to do after the students have logged in for the first time and how to access the course. So go back to the website pearsonmylabandmastering.com, go to sign in, again keep skipping. However, this allow pop-ups to continue. We do need pop-ups on this website. So if there are issues with some of the things not showing, it might be because of pop-ups. But we'll skip now because I have allowed it. Okay, so put the username in of the student. I'm just going to use this student as an example. Remember, it's adveti, not without ac.ae. It's the wrong password. So on the dashboard here, you'll have the student name at the top. They have one course, which is called Diploma. And MyLab Student Success. This is the course they need to do. Now you'll see that it just opened quite quickly there, but when I ran this in the day, it was quite slow. So our internet speed is to blame, but also I think the Pearson website is also a little, it doesn't deal with heavy traffic during the day so well. So just be conscious of how long it'll take to open up. Just be patient with it. Now on here, you've got number 1 and number 2. Number 2, these are the courses that they'll do. And then on this one, there are 9 courses with names like online learning, memory and studying. So they're all courses relating to study skills things. I don't know the content of them currently, but each course will open as the students get through. Now if you notice here, it says needs to study 9. Now to get onto these courses, if you notice it's grey, so when I click now it won't work. They need to do this, the pre-assessment, which is a diagnostic test to see what study skills the students have already. So according to the results of that test, that will to decide which of these courses they need to do and how many. So you need to encourage your students to do to answer, with maturity on the diagnostic test so that it shows what study skills they actually need. And so presumably they'll have less to actually complete afterwards if they do it well. So before you get to that stage, and I guess I will have to do another video there, you will do the pre-assessment. This says finish the test because I've actually already started with this student, but I think it will say start or begin the test when you log in. But they get 1 attempt. They can answer the questions at their own pace. Again, that loaded up quite quickly, but this earlier today it took a while. So here we have which statement about the college is true. When students are late, the instructors may refuse entry. When students miss more than one class, the advisors may change their schedule. When students miss class, they should provide a note from their parent. When students are late, they should apologize when they walk in. There isn't really a true answer, a correct answer, but there's a ranking in terms of which one is more suitable, which one in terms of a good student. So you would click A, presumably, and then go to the next question. Now there are 36 questions. There's some language in them which is quite complex, so this could take a little time to get through. And then when they finish, they would click submit. I don't want to do it for this student for this video. I'll just leave for now, and then these courses would open up. Okay, thanks.